Hi everybody. Today we will be reading 1, 2, 3, a calmer book. This is a really fun reading book. So let's begin to read the book. I am happy, but sometimes I feel mad and very frustrated. Like the other day when I let go of my balloon, I felt so mad. My friend told me it's okay to feel mad, but there is something I can do to feel better. I can stop and say a rhyme that has some actions. Let's try the rhyme together. 1, 2, 3, a calmer me. 1, 2, 3, I hug me. Give yourself a big hug, nice and tight. 1, 2, 3, relax and breathe. Take a big breath in and let it out slowly. 1, 2, 3, a calmer me. Pretend your arms are jelly and let your hug slide away. I'm glad my friend showed me what to do. When I stopped and said the rhyme, it slowed my body down and helped me get rid of my mad feelings. The next day, when I had to stop playing, I felt mad again. I tried saying the rhyme by myself. 1, 2, 3, a calmer me. 1, 2, 3, I hug me. 1, 2, 3, relax and breathe. 1, 2, 3, a calmer me. Guess what? It worked. The mad feelings got smaller and I felt better. Now I say the rhyme whenever I need it and wherever I go. I say it when someone takes my favorite red crayon. 1, 2, 3, a calmer me. 1, 2, 3, I hug me. 1, 2, 3, relax and breathe. 1, 2, 3, a calmer me. Then I feel calm and ready to play with my friends. When schoolwork is hard, I say the rhyme again. 1, 2, 3, a calmer me. 1, 2, 3, I hug me. 1, 2, 3, relax and breathe. 1, 2, 3, a calmer me. It works. I feel calm and try my best. When I play sports, I say the rhyme because no one wins all the time. 1, 2, 3, a calmer me. 1, 2, 3, I hug me. 1, 2, 3, relax and breathe. 1, 2, 3, a calmer me. Some days I still get mad and frustrated, but when I say my rhyme, I feel so much better. That's the end of our book. So I hope you all enjoyed this book reading. See you next time, everybody. Keep reading. Take care. Bye bye.